Alright everybody, just wanted to welcome you to another video I'm going to shoot tonight. I want to unwrap, still in the plastic, we're going to step it back to the Slash. You know, Traxxas came out with the Slash and it just won't go away. The Slash is going to be here with Traxxas for a long time. But my boys down at the World of RC here at my local hobby shop gave me a call on Wednesday. They said, "G, where are you at?" I said, "Well, I'm over here doing some landscaping on a job." They said, "When you get some time, swing on down to the hobby shop. We got something we want you to see. Think you might like it." Well, I was thinking, you know, hey, they might have got in something different, something new come in. But they stepped it back just a little bit and put on the shelf the Slash Ultimate 4x4, bringing it back. So I said, man, when I walked in the door and saw that box sitting on the counter, they said, "We saved it for you just in case you wanted to see it." Right there. I said, sold. Sold. Picked it up the very next day. Went and got the cashola, rolled back down, bought it cashola, put it in Chad and Matt's hands, the owners of World RC here in North Carolina, my local hobby shop. I said, sold. Soon as I saw that paint scheme, I said, going to the house. Old school, got the Slash up here on my shelf, the old school Slash. I said, I'm keeping this one. Keeping this, because the Ultimate has got some upgrades. Upgrades now. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get into it, y'all. We're going to get into it, and it's going to be lights out with G. Lights out with the new Slash. Here we go. Man, get this plastic out of the way. Can't wait to see. I hadn't even seen the Ultimate before. Seen videos of it, but I ain't never seen the Ultimate. Got the tape cut, can't wait to get in the box. Man, I rode this thing around. Here it is. Saturday night, got to go on shift tomorrow morning. I've had it in the truck since Wednesday night. Wednesday night, I went and picked it up. Of course, it comes with Traxxas, got their traditional controller. Nothing wrong with their traditional controller. Good controller. Especially for what I'm going to do with this truck. But don't you love the picture on the front, everybody? Look at the picture. Slash 4x4 Ultimate. 60 plus miles an hour. 3S. Again, 3S. Look in there. Talk to me. Let me turn it like this. Holy guys, look at that. Look at that beast. Just look at that paint scheme in the plastic. Pop the clips off. Clips got to go. I let my boys at the World of RC see this video. Think they'll get a kick out of it. If you don't know about the World of RC and you got Facebook, check it out. World of RC, Thunder Alley. paint scheme. Got the little orange in it. Get the roof on it. Check it out, Traxxas. If you happen to see the video, check it. Check it. Check it out. Look at the rims. Stepped it up with the black, shiny wheels. Got the BFGs on it still. Traxxas loves them BFGs. Check out that all-terrain. All-terrain. Huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. VXL. Got the tag on it. Just wanted to show you some of the upgrades. Look at the blue anodized adjustable shocks. Look at that. Those of you that thinking about upgrading your Slash, you can buy a lot of these parts. You know, Traxxas makes a lot of these extra parts right here. Check it. Check it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Had to have it. 3S. Tell you what we're going to do. I want to pop off one of the wheels because I want to show you a couple of the upgrades it's got on it. Handy little tool. Wheels a little tight. Just going to pop off front and rear wheel. Alright, y'all look at the video. Look at the blue upgraded aluminum front end. Look at that. XR2. Right there on the front. Some of your aftermarket parts come on this truck. There's your rear one. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna take this truck. This ain't gonna really be my yard bashing truck, the play truck, but I am gonna do a few more upgrades to it. I want to put a few bead lock wheels on it. But I like the shocks on it. Check out the shocks. Comes with the white springs. This is one thing I was thrilled about when I read it on the box. If you notice right here, comes with the little stabilizers on the front and the rear. Check it, check it. Right here, look at that. Got a little bit of play in it. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. Brand new out the box. Sweet front bumper. Blue aluminum front end. Stiffen it up a little bit for the ones that's gonna play with it in the yard. Me, I'm gonna do a little bit of street playing on this one. I'm gonna put me some slicks on it. Well, not really slicks, but a little bit of Bandito tires I'm gonna put on it. Chrome rim it out. Give it a little bit of a look. Traxxas has still got their same aluminum drive shaft in it. Still blue color. Got the VXL system in it. Right here. VXL 3S motor. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got their stock arms on it. My Slash, it has the I put RPM arms on mine. But we'll slip these wheels back on. Slip that body on it. We'll check it out right before I let you go. Check it out. Comes with the blue nut that holds the wheel on. In case y'all didn't know, it's a 7mm wrench that holds these on. Those of you that don't have a Slash and are thinking, man, I'm gonna order me a Slash. Check out the boys at World RC. They got them in. They've had them before, but wheel on. $7mm back on. All right. Yes, sir. Here it is. Wheels are back on it. You guys get you a good view on it. Most of the shocks come with 35 weight oil in them. So feels a little bit loose with that 35, and plus that white spring makes it kind of soft on the front end. But for what I'm gonna do with it, but Matt down at the World of RC, he told me, he said, when you get this one right here with the stabilizers on it, it's gonna be so much more sturdy, much more easy to handle. It don't have that little bit of wiggle in it when it's got these bars on it right here. And it's kind of hard to see, but it's got the bar on it, but it goes down to a linkage. It's got that linkage right through here. Bolts to, and then it bolts to your A arm right in here. It's bolted right here if you can see it. Bolted right in here, goes up and attaches to the arm. This is the 3S. So I got the SMC battery, 3S battery to put in it. Now let me slip this body back on. Does that body, guys, not look good? Let me tell you something else Traxxas has got going for them too. Their box, the package deal, that's a selling point when you're looking at an RC car. When you've got a nice box that your car comes in, look at the back. When you flip it around, is that not the selling point of a car? I'm telling you, when you unbox it and you look at all the upgrades it's got let me tell you, the blue anodized coated GTR shocks, aluminum wheel nuts that we talked about, 7mm, front and rear sway bars. Right there, I showed you where they were located. Ultimate Edition accessories included. Got the C-hubs and the steering blocks on the front. Right here, C-hubs and the steering blocks. New extreme heavy duty drive shafts. Heavy duty, still plastic drive shafts, but they're heavy duty. Low center gravity chassis. Forgot to point that out to you, but I'll show it to you. But I didn't want to get that body back on it and let y'all look at it before I let you go. There it is. Got your truck back together, got the body on it. I put a couple of clips in it because I wanted y'all to see what it looked like. Hadn't run it. Like I said, we just unboxed it. But check it out. Selling point. Gonna add it to the RC collection. This one right here, just gonna get some new tires, some bead-lock wheels. And this one's gonna be right here, strictly street ready. I really like the new Traxxas, everybody. Right there it is. Well, it ain't really new. Let me get back to that. It really ain't new. It's been out a little while, but it's new to this house, new to my collection. I got right many RCs, but I got some Armor stuff. Got the Limitless, the 8S, got the HPI stuff, got the Buggy, the 5T, the 5B, the Losi 5T, the Losi DBXL, and of course I got the old Slash sitting right here that I bash with a little bit. Can't never go wrong with my old Slash sitting up here. But hope y'all enjoyed this video. Check it out at your local hobby shop. Go to YouTube. Pull it up on YouTube. Check out the video they got of this thing bouncing around. 60 plus miles an hour with all the upgrades it comes with. Remember, the box is the selling point. Traxxas did it right. Hope you guys enjoyed the opening of this Slash 4x4 Ultimate. Lights out. Good night.